What's up guys, Nick Fish here in San Diego. So today I'm using a kayak rental company, Sand Dog Kayak Adventures in San Diego, La Jolla. We're out here with Outdoor Chef Life in Die Hard Fishing. Let's see if we can get a yellowtail. First things first is we have to make some bait. So I have a sabiki here tipped with some squid. We're gonna go catch a couple mackerel, put it on the hook, and troll it a little bit. Wish us luck. All right guys, sorry for the camera view.
Are they on 67 or stupid seals hanging right around us?
Hey Taku, Adam, are you there?
Yeah, copy.
Let's do this!
Let's get it!
I think it's the first time I've ever caught a perch on a sabiki.
Yeah, why is a perch way out here? He's gonna get gulped.
That's what I'm saying.
The perch head shakes.
Yeah, I had a little baby perch head shake. I thought it was a mackerel.
That's what from the rod tip, I thought it was a
Yeah,
mackerel.
that's what it felt like, was a mackerel. Did not expect a perch.
Yeah, Adam, we're catching some mackerel over here.
Nice, thanks. We're right behind you.
Just get it right into the hole of the boat. They'll fall off pretty easy, so as soon as you can get them into the boat, get them in the boat.
Okay.
There you go.
This is it. This is gonna be a yellowtail right here. These are bonita.
All of them?
No, just this top one is a mackerel.
Okay.
Yes.
There you go. Boo. Right on.
So throw these back?
No, I'd keep that one big one if you want to keep it. But I mean, you're probably going to catch some that are bigger than that.
Okay.
More than likely. And the other thing is you can't have more than 10 total fish. So you want to get like 5 bonita.
Okay.
And, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Dude, that's a great job. And we got a little bit more bait.
Yep, they're right here. Right here. Yep.
Come on, mackerel, and not bonita.
Oh, it's bonita.
Yeah, if they pull you hard as hell.
Woo! Look at all of them.
I hope there's some mackerel on there too, or are they all bonita?
They're all bonita.
I told you, so you're going to catch more.
Holy shit. Hey, Adam.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh, he's got me. He's got me. Look, guys. Ah! Watch, I'm gonna get bit by a bonita.
I think that's the first time anybody's ever said that.
Yeah. Ah! That wasn't on purpose again. Oh shit, sorry. This is Adam. Die Hard Fishing, yes.
Die Hard, bro. I subscribe to you. I watch you religiously. It's funny, as soon as you talk to him on the marine radio, I was like, bro, I recognize his voice.
These guys' mouths are a mix. These guys are, the mouths look like a mix of a tuna and a salmon. Look at the inside of their mouths. Like the gums are kind of like salmon. The teeth are very similar to salmon, but the mouth is tuna. You see how it's kind of hinged on the top right here? It almost looks like a wahoo. A wahoo's head kind of is double hinged. But it's a beautiful fish. And they fight really good. But I'm kind of tired of them now. Something's gonna happen today, Taku. Something's coming for you today. Right here, got one. Woo, bonita. Woo! Look at this thing. Look at it's pulling drag.
Bonita.
Bonita. Look at this thing, dude. It fights better than a link cod. Whoa!
Oh my God.
Christmas tree.
Dude, you know what? When he first caught his first couple minutes, he was fired up.
Now I'm sick of it. Woo!
Yeah.
Sorry about this camera view, guys. I don't have my mounts. I don't have my mounts for my kayak, but you know, this is better than nothing. All right, guys. So this is our big bait. His name is Johnny. Come on, Johnny, do some work.
Johnny's trying to get rid of his nose piercing right now, but it's not gonna happen. Boom, he's hooked.
All right, Johnny, earn your freedom, buddy. If you survive.
Oh, he ain't gonna survive one way or the other. There you go. So you just want to like hang it up the side, pedal for about, I don't know, 35, 45 seconds to get him, you know, behind you.
Wow.
And then you're not, exactly, you're gonna feel him. You're gonna feel him the whole time. That's when you need to start paying attention. When you feel him start slipping out, something could be coming after him, and that's when. But right now, free spool, thumb on the line, let him out slowly, and boogie.
Okay. He's trying to hide under my kayak.
Yep.
Oh yeah, he's swimming down too. He's in
You want
trouble.
to keep a little bit of tension, just make sure that he's directly behind your boat, and you're just going to be going straight as you can for as long as you can, so we don't see the dam. Well, we won't go that far, but.
Okay.
But till we almost don't see the beach, and then do a U-turn and come back.
Okay.
This is it. This is where it happened. I don't know if you saw one guy. You see him way out there?
Yeah.
That's what, he's doing the same thing.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna get a smell for mine.
I'm on. Oh.
Yeah, Adam.
Good job, Ed. I think he just rocked me. Way.
Oh, I heard that, man.
Was it on the downrigger? No, on the free line.
I heard that line peeling.
On your dropper or on your fly line? No, just fly line. Copy that. Hell yeah, dude. Well, we'll get him. We'll get him.
Giving us hope, Adam.
Yeah, he took me right into the rock. Line's all chafed up. Yep, that's what they do, man. Keep that drag button down as tight as you can.
That was pretty cool, Adam. Sounded a lot faster than a salmon.
Oh man, it felt good to see the drag ripping off again.
Boost them, boost them.
Reel down, pump up.
So there's rocks around here?
There's a few piles here and there, but not a lot.
So he got pretty unlucky?
Yeah. If he did actually swim into a rock pile, that's That's a rando rock pile.
But that's why they're probably right there, huh? Pinning stuff against that.
Yeah, well, and during the winter, basically all the smaller ones like go down to Baja, but the bigger ones stick around. And what they'll do is they'll find rock piles and just hang out right above them, and then little things that come around, they'll just go.
Yeah. I'm on. Oh. Oh no.
Did you wait for 5 seconds?
I waited for 3. Oh.
You gotta let him sit there and gulp that thing down. If it starts peeling, it's hard. It's the longest 5 seconds of your life.
How much pressure should you put on your finger?
How much what?
Pressure when it's running.
Just enough so it doesn't backlash on you.
Because like I've heard somewhere they say 1, 2, 3 set it. I've heard 7 seconds, I've heard 10 seconds. And I've also heard they spit it too sometimes. It looks like he took, this thing was perfect when I put it on.
Oh yeah, he got fucked up.